Hello everyone, welcome to Money Magic. Let's get started with short stock short. The Sensex crossed the 5000 milestone, leading to some early cheers. However, profit booking spoke the parties in the last hours of the day. The market breadth turned negative with 33 of the Nifty 50 stocks closed in red. Every major sectoral index closed in red with Nifty PSU banks closed down 3.2% and Nifty Realty was down by 2.5%. Today, domestic institutional investor net value of sales was 1039 crores and foreign institutional investor net buy was 1614 crores. Currently, Sensex PE is trading at 34.36 and market mood is in fear. Today gold rate is 49,581 per 10 grams and silver rate is 67,498 per kg. Now moving on to grey market prices. Indian Railway Finance Corporation grey market price is trading at 1 rupees. The Indigo Paints grey market price is trading between 840 to 850 and Home First Finance grey market price is trading between 145 to 150. Now let's see the subscription status. Indigo Paint IPO subscribed 6.97 times, the public issue subscribed 9.56 times in retail category, 3.86 times in QIB and 5.38 times in NIA category. And Home First Finance Company total subscribed 1.04 times, retail category subscribed 1.29 times and qualified institutional subscribed 1.28 times. Now moving on to our updates, the SEBI has approved the 24,713 crore deal between Reliance Industry and Future Groups. The approval comes through despite Amazon PLA in Delhi High Court to stay the deal. As part of the deal, Future Group will sell its retail, wholesale, logistics and warehouse business to Reliance Retail Ventures, a subsidiary of Reliance Industry. Shares of Reliance Industry was up by 2.3%. Future Retail was up by 4.9% and also Future Supply Chain Solution was up by 4.9%. We have made a quick timeline of the deal starting from Amazon buying Future Group stakes to yesterday's SEBI approval. Must watch that video that will become in the I button also. The electrical equipment maker reported a 39.4% year-on-year jump in Q3 standalone revenue to 3,166 crore. The sales growth was mainly supported by improved customer sentiments, festival demands and increased penetrations in smaller towns. Its net profit rises to 75% year-on-year to 349 crores mainly due to lower advertisements and sale promotion expansion. Shares of Havells rises 10.89% today and are up 24% so far in January. Shares of networking products maker jumped today after its reported Q3 consolidated revenue of 134.9 crores, up 56% year-on-year compared to losses of 112 crores in Q3 last year. It delivered a net profit of 9.2 crores. Its order book increased by 73 crores to 672 crores. The company said that its cash flow positive is improving and it's currently holding cash and cash equivalent of 335 crores with no debt on the book. The net profit of Bajaj Finance was rupees 1145.98 crores in the October to December quarter. This is a 29% fall from the same quarter in 2019. The net interest income fell to 5.3% to rupees 4,296 crores. Gross NPA stood at 0.55% as compared to 1.61% during the same period. As we said in yesterday's video that Bajaj is now moving to payment solution, that could be the reason for its share price jump today. Now moving to another company of Bajaj, Bajaj Finserv. The net profit of Bajaj Finserv rises to 15% to rupees 1,290 crores. The net interest income fell by 100 crores to 6,599 crores. Now moving to our next update. Indigo is now the world's 7th biggest airline by capacity and largest outside in US and China, according to data shown by OAG. Indigo took delivery of 44 planes from Airbus in 2020, the most by any airlines to replace older models. Indigo CEO Datta said that the airlines had 52% domestic sales in 2020 compared to 49% in 2019. The Competitive Commissions of India approved the acquisitions of stakes in Max Life Insurance by Axis Bank, Axis Capital and Axis Security. Now moving on to our next update. Laurus Labs has completed the acquisitions of 72.55% stakes in Rich Cool Life Science, which is biotechnology company, and the last update is of Aditya Birla Fashion. Competition Commission of India approved Flipkart's 7.8% stakes purchased in the Aditya Birla Fashion. Thank you for today and stay tuned with us.